Okay. Yes. So welcome to the show. Ask me now. Yes, Mr. Adhikari. From which place?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm good. I'm doing good. You are from which part of Nepal?
Yeah, Chitwan.
Okay, you wrote me yesterday.
Yeah. I
Yes.
thought with you there.
We are planning actually. I'm supposed to reach this Tribhuvan University for a seminar. So I'm just planning on that. So what could be the route, and we'll just plan accordingly. So you're running a school over there. Hello. Yes, sir.
Teaching class 11.
Are you running a school over there? Okay.
Teaching physics in class 11, 12, and mathematics in.
Okay. I think your network is poor, so voice is breaking. No issues. We can talk later. Yes, Vidhi. What are your queries? What are your questions?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You are from?
I'm from Jagadri.
Okay. I got it. Mom took my number. Right. Yes, tell me. What are your queries, your question regarding Vedic mathematics? Do you know what is Vedic maths?
No, sir.
Okay. Vedic maths is a simple way to do mathematics. You can say it is a simple, easy, and faster way. So you are in which standard? 9th or 10th?
Actually, I'm from 7th standard.
Okay.
Oh, standard 7. It's good.
Can I ask you one question, Riddhi?
Yes, sir.
You know tables?
Yes, sir.
Up to which number?
Up to 16.
Why not above? If I ask you to write a table, then also you cannot write.
I can write
Up till which number?
up till 18.
That's all. So that means if I ask you table of 89, what would be your answer?
I will do it by multiplying the numbers.
No problem. Multiplication or addition. How much time you will take?
Well, I don't know.
Approximately.
I think 15 minutes.
Do you know that would take only 10 seconds in Vedic maths?
How?
Any table. I'll just give you one concept of tables today. What is the most tough table you find? Which is the table which you find most tough?
19 and 18.
That's all. Not 29, 49 or 87, 83, 86, 67.
Yes.
So we'll do that. Yes, Mr. Adhikari, आप कुछ बता रहे थे. You were like handling classes of 11th, 12th in physics. And maths in which class?
Yes, sir.
And maths in which
Grade
standard?
8 and 9 and 10.
Okay.
When will you visit Nepal?
So Nepal, I have a schedule for 6th most probably, but only I'm just confirming other leads also. So one or two more seminars are scheduled. This is, I got the letter from there on 16th itself, 16th August. But I'm delaying just because I had some personal issues over here. So just waiting for that. I think you inquired long back, May 24. And then since then we are having a word, I suppose. Yes?
Yes, sir.
No issues. So this time we'll do it.
Which route do you follow to go to Kathmandu? Either through aircraft or through your roadway?
If I'll be coming by air, then definitely we'll be traveling from Kathmandu to Chitwan. Otherwise, would be if I will be coming by car, then we'll see. No issues, route will decide. So any queries you have first? Any questions regarding Vedic maths? Yes, Mr. Navraj was there. Okay, so for you also, Mr. Krishna, I'm just explaining how tables can be written because this is the biggest issue. This is the biggest problem everybody faces. Yes, Riddhi, now tell me what number you want to see.
Multiple of
89.
49.
Yes, Riddhi,
89 multiples.
89 table. Right. So I have got two ways to write 89. You know the table of 8?
Yes, sir.
You know the table of 9?
Yes, sir.
So why don't you know a table of 89? Let me tell you this thing you never realized earlier. 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Can we write table of 8 like this?
Yes, sir.
Table of 9, 18,
Yes, sir.
27, 36, 45, and 54. I'm just written up till 6 levels, 6 steps. You can go up till 10. Now see, you studied one concept of place values. Did you remember how many digits you can have at unit place? Guess how many digits you can have at unit place? Riddhi, unit place पर कितने नंबर आएंगे? Similarly, tens position पे कितने आएंगे? 1. So this, considering this as a unit place, this is tens position. Can we have two? Now 89 is correct. 1 digit at unit, 1 at tens. So 89 as it is. Now, can we have 2 digits at unit place?
No, sir. We can have till 100.
I'll just keep 8 and 1 moves further. This becomes 178. 7 as it is, 24 plus 2 is 26. 6 as it is, 35. 5 as it is, 44. 4 as it is, 53. You got, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So how, now this is this a tough thing? Is this something very tough?
No, sir.
But after this, you will never have a fear of tables. So that burden of tables we have, that would go off. See, what is Vedic mathematics? I told you it is what makes our calculations easy, faster, and simple. And it is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics. Right. Second thing, you get that feeling, yes, I can. So once you have that feeling in yourself, yes, I can. So then nothing is difficult in life. Yes, welcome, Jeet. You are from Jeet Raghav.
Hello, am I audible to you?
Yes, Jeet.
Yeah, I'm from Kathmandu.
Okay, so what do you do, Jeet?
I work with the schools.
Okay, you work with the schools as a coordinator.
Yeah,
You run some programs.
we supply different things to schools.
Okay, so that might be supplying abacus also.
Not exactly. Abacus is something else, and we do something else with the schools.
Okay, now this is, do you know what is Vedic mathematics?
Yeah, I have some idea about that.
Okay, Vedic maths is what makes our mathematics simple, easy, and faster, and very much important. Now in India, it has been made compulsory. It has been added in national education policy of the country. So that means class 3rd to class 9th will have to go through this particular subject. It is very easy, simple, and mentally calculations can be done. So when we talk about mental calculations, that is very much required in your country also. I've given seminars in few schools in Kathmandu also, Atoda, Viratnagar, Dhangadi, and the same observation. Students are having the fear of tables, and that fear, when it starts from the tables, it persists lifelong. So that is the motive. Why should we have fear of maths? Maths is not a subject to be feared of. It is just to play with the numbers. So we need to understand that basic things. Right. So Riddhi, did you get this answer?
Yes, sir.
Now you were having a doubt of 19 also, 18, sorry. So what is 18? One table you know.
Yes, sir.
Then 8 also you know. Just assemble it, rearrange it. 6 as it is 3, 4 as it is 5, 2 as it is 7, 0 as it is 9, 8 as it is 1, 0, 6 as it is 12. So what is easy? Adding 18 every time, because you said I'll cram it. I'll do the multiplication. See, to write down multiplication tables, there are only two concepts. One is cramming and then doing multiplication. The other way is adding every time. So 18 plus 18, 36, then again 18, then again 18. So that will give you multiple carryovers. But here in the system of Vedic maths, you just have to add 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3. So simple. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kabiraj. Any questions you have?
I have just joined here, sir.
Yes, I know. So anything you have in your mind regarding Vedic mathematics? What do you do, Kabi?
I have been teaching in the school.
Which subject?
English subject, sir.
English subject. Very good. So have
Yes.
any relation with mathematics? Have you ever taught mathematics?
What, sir?
Have you ever taught mathematics?
In primary level.
Okay. So don't you find that students have a fear of maths? Why is it so?
First of all, I want to know about the Vedic mathematics, sir. I don't know about which type of strategies are here.
No issues. My question was very simple. See, when first we should understand where the problem lies. So my question was, do children have a fear of maths? Then only I can give you the medicine. Yes?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Why do they have?
Generally, the students are confused in the multiplication table.
Mm-hmm.
Here they can forget any time.
Uh-huh.
If we teach them like this strategy, they will surely understand. I'm
That is
thinking.
what did you understand this thing? What I taught just now. Now this is not available in any book of the world. No subject. But is it difficult? The question arises: is it difficult? No. The
Yes, sir.
simple things are there in Vedic maths. Right.
Yes, sir.
So you are from which place, Kabiraj?
Yes, sir.
You are from which place in Nepal?
Bagalung district.
Okay. Right. Narad is also joining now. Right. Yes, Umesh. Any question you have? Jeet. Sariti, other than tables,
Yes, sir.
do you have any difficulty?
In division, sometimes I get in trouble.
Okay. What do you get when you divide any number with 7?
Any number, for example?
1 by 7. What is the answer?
1 by 7, because 1 cannot come to 7's table.
So we can get the answer in decimals. 2 by 7, 3 by 7. This is always there, because when you will be doing area of the circle, pi will come, pi r square. What is pi? 22 by 7. But are you aware? Dividing by 7 always gives same 6 digits after the decimal? Always they are same. We don't know. I'll just give you that hint also. Dal Bahadur Singh. See, it is the time when you can ask me any question regarding Vedic maths. So don't hesitate in that. Whatever query is coming in your mind, you can ask.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
Maharaj,
good evening, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Great. Great to see you here back.
Yes, today I could not join in time, sir. Sorry for that.
No issue, sir. You have already done first phase. So you already, from my side, if you want to start with the kids, you can start. See, that much strategies are sufficient. Now it is all on your side. The ball is in your side.
Yeah.
Right. But
Well,
yes, tell me.
Uh, sorry, you taught us this square, that one, no? By using that Vedic technique. But I practice so many times that square one, but while practicing that cube, that I got some confusion.
Which number? Tell me, I'll just guide you here itself. Number. Tell me the number.
Yes, that 18 cube of 18.
Okay. So you want 4 cubes, right? Now,
Yeah.
yes, Riddhi, do you have cubes in your syllabus?
Sorry, sir.
Do you have cubes in your syllabus? If I ask you to find cube of 18, how will you find?
By multiplying 18 into 18 into 18.
So how much time it will take? Now see
At
the game.
least
Now see the game. A very simple concept is there. A very simple. You cannot even think how simple it is. Since it is starting with 1, we'll just write 1 as it is, 8 as it is. At the third position, we just find the square of 8. What is square of 8? Do you know? 64. At third position, we just write cube of 8. So what is that? Yes, Narad, what is the cube of 8? बोलिए बोलिए
500.
512.
Yeah.
Correct. See, I'll
Correct.
make you remember again. So
Yeah.
we just double the middle terms, 16 and 128, and then add it.
Double. Yeah.
So 5 and 2,
Yeah.
2, 9, 1, 24,
24.
and 1. So
1.
balancing means 51
Bal-
will go here. So first is you get 2.
2. Yeah.
51 goes here. That means 3 will be going here. It will become 24. So 24 means 48. 8. 4 goes further. That becomes 5. So answer is 5832.
Yes, I got. Yeah.
So see, that's why I said you need to do homework. So if
Yeah.
you're not doing homework, then the problem starts.
Yeah.
Suman Begha, you just find now. Suman, you are from? Okay.
She is also from Dhaka.
Okay, she's from Jhapa. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, yes, Narad, any other further doubt? Any topic you want?
Sir, how can we add or that subtract by using the basic technique, sir?
Subtract what? Subtract what?
Subtraction and addition. How
Subtraction.
can we?
Addition, I can tell you right away, but subtraction would need some practice. Addition, see how we do. like multiplication, I told you. Similarly,
Yeah.
addition. If it is 36, 48, 78. Now suppose
Yeah.
these three numbers are there. What we do is 16 plus 6, 22. So we do 2
Yeah.
and 2.
Carry.
Now this
Yeah.
is where generally students make a mistake. This is where they either look up, forget this, or so 7 plus 7, 14, and 2, 16. Now this was the answer. How
Yeah.
do we do in Vedic maths?
How?
48, 78. Now
Yeah.
16 plus 6 is 22. So we write the answer as it is. And
Yeah.
here we write 14. Then
Yeah.
remembering the same rule, the same concept,
Oh.
one digit at
Yes.
one place value,
Two.
it becomes. Now you will say we used 2 steps. Yes, I
Okay.
do agree we use 2 steps. But the point is the calculation is so simple and you can easily check your answers. See, you will never go wrong.
Yeah.
Here you can overlook this carryover, but here carryover will never be overlooked. So answer,
Yeah.
if it is in front of you, this is known as place-wise addition. That means you are adding the digits at their own place values. So this is unit place, you are adding all unit together. Tens position, you're adding tens digits. Right, so this is how we do. Similarly, in case of multiplication also, we follow the same concept. 378, 9. So 9 8 is 72. 9 7 is 63.
Yeah.
9 3 is 27.
Yeah.
Again, we cannot have 2 digits. This goes here, 2 here. 63 plus 7 becomes 70. That means only 0 and 7 goes further. That makes 34. Right. So this is clarity is there.
Oh.
So this is just one concept of multiplication. There are 7 other concepts also. Like like we learned about 11. Triple one, 4 times 1, 9. So there are so easy calculations. You just saw it. Similarly, in case of squares also you saw how numbers ending with 5 we could do easily.
Yes. But the name of sutra, that one, I think it came from Sanskrit. That is why
Kadikena
we
purvena.
find it very difficult to pronounce.
The reason behind is, see, Sanskrit is always considered as tongue twister. So if your child is not able to speak in the early childhood years, if it happens ना, कई बार बच्चा बोल नहीं पाता जल्दी. तो जिस प्री स्कूल में अब इंडिया साउथ इंडिया में ये बहुत अच्छा वो है, people teach sutras, shlokas, we call it as shlokas. So shlok इसलिए कराए जाते हैं संस्कृत में, so that the tongue, because they are the best tongue twisters. तो आपकी जबान साफ हो जाती है. तो आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, वो इसलिए आ रही है, you never tried it. But if people start doing it, so after 6-7 days you'll be able to. Ikadikena purvena, navata, karma dashata. So everything can be done. Right. Yes, Ustad Lutil. Any questions you have now?
No, sir.
Okay. So who's left? Yes, Umesh.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Fine, sir.
Today, people from Nepal, they are not asking questions. I think they're feeling shy. Narad is now experienced. Narad, it's I think 3rd time he's coming. Yes.
Yes, sir. Because I am enjoying this class, sir.
No, definitely. See, everybody will enjoy. If you just have that feeling, I can do, then what better than that? See, sometimes you enjoy your own company, and that happens only when you when you start feeling good, positive inside yourself. If you're tired, if you are you are already burdened or having a fears of something, you never have that mood of doing. So when you feel energetic, when you are positive, then things go a different way. And that is what is required to study maths. So if maths is done by such ways, then maths is very simple as ABC.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir, can you please explain divisibility rules?
Divisibility,
Number divisible by 2, 3, 4,
2,
5.
3, 4 are very simple. 7 would be a difficulty. I'll tell. So divisibility, it is really a topic which is covered in 8th or 9th standard. Divisibility. Now, what does this mean? This means by just looking at the number, can we decide that is this number divisible by that particular number? For example, if I have a number 3, 6, 4, 7, 8, 9, 2. Okay, 1, 4 also. Now, if I ask you, is this number divisible by 2? So how do you find? So the simple answer is, if a number is even, now this is an
Yeah.
even number, then
Ah.
it is divisible by 2.
Divisible.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
no.
Not.
Now, same question, if I ask you, is it divisible by 3? Now, one way is you try to divide by 3 and then, so we don't have extra that much time in paper. So what do we do? We can add the numbers.
Adding all number.
Yes, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, 28, 30, 39, and
Yeah.
33.
After adding the number, if it is divisible by 3,
Again,
the number is also
yes,
divisible.
7. But here also we need not to divide. We were not
Yeah.
supposed to calculate 43 also. We could have avoided this 9. We could have avoided this 9. We could have avoided this 2 and this combination. Now what is left? Only 4, only 8 and 4. So 8 and 16, I got 7. So when such big numbers are there, you can just ignore 9 and numbers becoming, combining up to make 9. So 7 is not divisible by 3. So entire number is not divisible by 3. So just by looking at this, we can finalize. Right. Similarly,
Right.
Yes.
Dr. Saab, I need to understand one thing.
yes,
We have left 3 and 6 as 9.
yes,
We have left 7 and 2 as 9.
yes,
We have left 9 as 9.
yes.
So we came with 4.
I'll tell you the reason. See now. Let's talk about table of, I'll take a small number. 1.
No,
7.
I want to understand the same thing which you already raised. You raised that?
No, I have not erased. I'm taking a
I
very
just want
small
to
number.
understand. Like
That
4
is
is
what
there.
I'm
4,
not-
8, and 4, right?
Yes.
Now I got it. 16 is 7.
Yes.
I got it.
I was explaining in a very small step. This
Mhm.
172. So if I ignore this, 1 is the answer. Otherwise, 1 plus 7 plus 2 is 10. 10 is again 1. Correct?
I understand this.
But
I
this does not mean if it is 99, we say 0. No, we have to ignore 1 9 and 9 is there. Right? So
Okay.
1 9, we
Thank
have
you.
to take. Right? Okay. Similarly, for 4, now this number was 3, 6. I wrote 3, 6. Okay. Let's do here only. If I ask you, is it divisible by 4? Then what do we do?
If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible.
We just check with these 2 numbers.
Last 2.
24. So if 24 is divisible by 4, yes, entire number is divisible by 4. So 4 is very easy. Now coming to 5. So if number is having 5 at the unit place or 0, then only it is possible.
Divisible. Yeah.
Otherwise not.
Not.
Divisibility by 6. Now, yes, anyone? So for divisibility by 6, 2 conditions should be fulfilled. Now here, first condition is it should be a divisible by 2. Now it is. By 2 it is. Right, because it is an even number, so it is. But it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3 because we got 43. So it is not divisible by 6. Correct. Now 7. For 7, we don't have any rule in our mathematics. So for that, Vedic maths has a rule. But that is a somewhat a procedure which we need to understand after going through some calculations. It's not the right time and right. But yes, if it is 8, so 7, see why now there are certain unsolved things in maths, that is divisibility by 7, 13, 19, 23, 29. We don't have any solution to this. So this solution is in Vedic maths. Similarly, there are so many topics like which we can discuss. We cannot add and subtract simultaneously in normal maths, which is possible in Vedic maths. Calculations is easy, that is one benefit, right? So coming back to divisibility by 8. Now for 8, you need to check with the last 3 numbers. Like for 4, we check with the. So here, last 3 numbers, 924. So is 924 divisible by 8? Yes, tell me.
No.
So it is not. 9. Again, for 9 also, the total should come 9. Here it is 7. So it is not divisible by 9. 10 we know. 11. Yes, 11 everyone knows.
Yeah.
Yes, tell me now.
Last, yes, 2 last second first last digit and second last digit is same in that condition.
Any other condition? Okay. So that means 1331 is not.
Sorry.
See, now for 11, you have to make the numbers. This is at the odd position. This is at the even position. This is at the odd position. We'll start from this side, right? This is at the even position. We'll add even, total is 4, odd is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. So it is divisible by, or it should come 11, or it's multiple, right? See, now in this case, 3, 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17. Now 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 4,
26.
So 26 minus 17 is 9. So not possible. So this number is not divisible by 11. Clear?
Sir, I have a doubt related to algebraic expressions.
Yes, for algebraic, see, algebraic expressions can be done within one line. But the point is, for that, we need to understand first arithmetics. For okay, do you have doubt in what part? Multiplication, equations, or what?
Sir, if in algebraic expressions, most students confuse in signs to algebraic expressions. Like plus minus minus in that equation, some students ignore that signs.
So that, see, ignorance cannot be sorted out. The only thing is, it's not only ignorance, beta. Now, okay, I'll ask you one question. See, x cube plus 4x square plus 2x plus 7. Correct? And 4x cube plus 3x square plus 8x plus 2. This is one simple thing for us. We say it is just multiplication of two algebraic equations, right?
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
do now what will you do? You'll take first x3 and multiply
X3.
with entire this. Yes, Riddhi?
Yes, sir.
Then you'll take this and then multiply. So that means how many terms you'll get? 16. Here confusion starts because after that you will segregate x cube together, x square together, x.
Yeah.
So that creates a problem. So that means at least 5 steps are required.
Hmm.
Now this can be done in a single line in Vedic maths.
How?
I'll do it, but I'm not sure you will. I'll give you the answer, but not sure about you'll understand the steps. So first x cube, 4x square, 2x, 7. We'll write as it is. Plus sign you can ignore also. If it was negative, then we could have written negative. 4x cube, second expression below that, taking
It
into
X.
consideration x square under x square, independent under.
Yeah.
Now, first step is always left multiplication. So this will give
Left.
me 4x
4x6.
finish. Second,
12.
3x
Cross.
5. Yes, cross multi. Okay, I'll change the color. Second step is 16 plus 3. So 16 plus 3 is 19x 5.
5. Yeah.
The term x cube has been.
3x5.
Then third is this with this with this, and this. So 4 to the 8. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 12. So that is 28x4.
How it came, sir? 28.
Okay, I'll tell you. See, this has to be, it is like first number with the last.
Yeah.
8x cube, 8x4.
Yeah.
4 and 2 are again 8, and 4 and 3 are 12. Correct?
Oh.
That's why I said maybe today because this comes after your arithmetic part. Okay.
Yeah.
Then this and this, and in between also. So 2, 28, that becomes 30. 30 plus 6, 36, and 36 plus 32. So that is 68x cube. Finish. Now, coming to smaller one. In this, 4 to the 8, 8 plus, now this 4 and 2 are 8 plus 21. So that is 29 and 16. So 29 plus 16 means 30 plus 15, 45x square. Then comes your second last, this 2 is a 4 and 56. So that becomes 60x and last is 14. So just single line without any confusion. Yes, Haridhi. So
Yes, sir. I'm clear to this sum.
Yeah, I got it. You might be new to this. So, but see, 5 steps, you just single step. And no confusion at all because it is automatically segregated. It is automatically, you can say you have chosen like this, they are placed at the right position. Otherwise, we will have different and we'll keep on adding. Done?
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
While practicing in the beginning, sir, this zigzag, this cross multiplication may create confusion.
No. When we'll start, we'll not give you 4x4 calculation first. First, we'll start with 2x2. Means 2 numbers and 2 numbers. Then 3x3, then 4x4. After that, you can do 10x10 also.
Uh,
Initially, I cannot give you directly, but here it was just to explain how it impacts. That's why I said maybe you are not able to understand, but I'll give you the things how differently it will come.
hmm. Yes.
Yes, Umesh. Anything else?
Excuse me, sir. Can I have one question?
Sure.
How can we explain that 0 is also even number?
Sorry, come again.
Is 0 even number or not, sir? 0 is even.
See now, when we do in Vedic maths, we always take it as a positive, even on.
Even only. How can we explain to student that 0 is even number?
See again, that is a part of maths, and my purpose is to make maths easy. So Vedic maths does not cover that point, but yes, see, because every teacher have a different notation. So in Vedic maths, we don't have an answer for this.
Okay.
No answer.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
What do you do?
I am a teacher, sir.
Which subject? Maths.
I teach overall all subject: math, optional maths, science.
Which place in Nepal?
In Bhaktapur.
Bhaktapur is near to Kathmandu, na?
Yes. Currently, I'm at Bhaktapur. I teach all subject except account. I
Which
teach
standard
English.
you are taking? Which standard you are taking? Which
I
class?
am up to your class 10. I teach all subject, and for class 11, 12, and bachelor I teach chemistry.
Great.
My master's is in chemistry, organic chemistry.
Very good. Yes. Yes. Any other question you have? Yes,
No. About LCM HCF, sir.
No, not. First, accept this much. Anything, any doubt. See, because what happens, I can explain. Then you need practice, like we did in workshop. See, we solved 200 questions that day on scales and cubes. Then only you will be able to understand. Solving one question, I don't mind. I'll solve it, but it would be difficult for you to understand.
Okay, sir.
Because I'll ask you, give me the questions. There are 3 ways to solve LCM and HCF. 2 ways we are already aware, that is factors or division method, right? And Vedic maths has a different way. Now that way is with the use of Urdhva Sutra, that is cross multiplication. So first we need to understand what is multiplication, right?
Oh, yeah.
Not to worry.
Okay.
So it will go for the complete things. You can have a look at the book, you'll see everything in that way.
Yes.
I want to start. I see why in the workshop those topics were introduced, so that you don't have to have some prior knowledge to it, right?
Yeah.
If prior knowledge is required, then your concepts will not be clear. Now algebra, you it seems easy for you right now, but the point is how this is happening. If that is not clear, there is no use. Correct. So I just solved for your reference purpose. But if I have to make you understand, then we'll start from 2 by 2, then go by 3 by 3, and then further. So it's no use if we just put it like this. Right. Yes. Anything else?
I have 2 daughters. Yes.
Very good.
And one is in class 10 and that little one is in class 5. And yesterday only. Yes, I taught that square, how to square in a faster way by using the Vedic technique. When I taught them, they became so happy.
That is what
I can't explain.
See, that is what I say. Tell them the concept of 11. They'll be more happy. See, that is what is required. I told
Yeah.
initially only, we have to teach in a manner that a child feels confident, feels happy, feels positive. If you're doing something with positivity, then you'll be able to understand. Then you'll be able to concentrate on that. If you are not liking the subject, what is the use? And that is what has happened. See, maths, our fear starts with the tables and then borrow system. And gradually it goes up till class 10th. There, after 10th, now teacher immediately says, oh, you are not good for maths. And change the subjects.
Yeah.
But what happens when you say someone, you cannot do this? That sticks in the mind. Every time, whenever they'll be going for something new, they always have a doubt. I will not be able to do. So that should not be there. Right. So I believe maths is not tough.
Yeah.
Maths is very easy. The only thing is we need to understand.
Understand.
So whatever topics we did that day also, yes, last Ask Me session also, like we did digit root or digit sum. Was it tough? No. The only thing is we need to pay attention once. And after that, we'll never forget. Now this table concept, nobody can forget.
Yeah.
Right. But yes, I agree. It is not in written anywhere. So that is also one issue. Not my point. Yes. Anything else? So last round, any questions you have before we come to the end of the session? Yes, Umesh, Ustav, Jeet, Riddhi,
Dr.
Aarti,
Yes,
Rajni.
I have a question. Like this session is for teaching Vedic maths to us or to take the franchisee and provide to schools?
Nothing. This is just a show called Ask Me Now, where whatever you have doubt, question, query regarding Vedic maths, you can ask me.
See, I'm clear about Vedic maths, and I know this thing since long time.
Great.
Right. So I just want to know how
there
can
is-
we turn
so
out
we-
this
See, if it
into
is
business?
1 second, sir. If it is regarding business, that is a personal talk, because I don't want business to put over on this platform.
All right. All right. All
Because
right.
people, there are students, they need their queries to be solved. Teachers, they need their queries to be solved. So we would like that if something it is personal, business related, we'll talk in person, right?
Sure. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, do we have the book of this Vedic mathematics, sir?
Definitely, sir. I shared a link with you already. Teachers in Nepal, they have used. I've given you the number of Mr. Umesh. You can get it from him.
Oh.
I shared your number.
Okay.
You can anytime purchase from Mr. Umesh, or if you are going for a teacher training course, then you'll get free.
Oh.
So your wish. Yes, Ustad. Ustad, any questions? Any further?
No, sir, I have no any question now. I am here to learn new thing. What you are going to or other acts here?
Before learning, see, when does learning come? When we have some doubts. So whatever is in your mind, you can ask, because then only you'll be clear about the concept. Huh? Right? No issues. So okay, thank you very much, everyone.
Yes,
and so if further you have any doubts, you have my numbers, so you can ask me on WhatsApp. Right? Thank you once again.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, Riddhi.
Good night, sir.
Right.